Welcome to the Mapei Technological Laboratory, where every day we are looking for new methods to be included in the concrete supply chain for the control and its correct production. My name is Luca Torelli, Corporate R&D Concrete Testing Coordinator. Today we present SONO-WZ from Volta SPA, an instrument for determining the average amount effective water in a fresh concrete mix directly on construction site. In this way, it's possible to quickly determine the water-cement ratio. But now, let's see it.